We are here at Eastwood Metro Park at Blue Lake for a tri-kayaking event. It's a great way for people to get in a boat and see what it's like for paddle sports. The Outdoor Resource Center strives to get people outside to learn, to recreate, and really just have fun.
Trying to get a little more integrated with the university as well as the Outdoor Resource Center. It's fun to come out and do this kind of thing and see what's going on with everything.
A few of them are brand new, a few of them have kayaked 1 or 2 times, so they were just excited to get outside on the water.
I think it's a really good opportunity because a lot of college students don't have the funds or the living situation to own a kayak and go out whenever they want. So to have things like this for free and provide transportation and everything is pretty amazing.
There was a study that just came out yesterday that talked about 2 hours a week being really essential for your mental health. We really think that 2 hours a day is essential. So we're here for several hours, getting outside, getting some sun.
It's definitely a scavenger hunt. Like you kind of look for turtles or fish or whatever, but then your arms get sore and you kind of just get to take in the environment.
It's especially important for us to let students know that college isn't just about classes, how it's super important to go to school and get your education, but there's so much more to enjoy, and it's a great way to meet new people and try something new.
I do have generalized anxiety disorder, and this is definitely a good way to kind of take the edge off in a healthy way, and it's definitely worth it. You get to meet new people, you get to be out in your community. It's 100% worth it. I didn't even know this lake existed before today.